welcome to the Wheelhouse Weekly. We are in get ready to leave mode. And I know we've got just over 100 days, but there's a lot to do on the boat. And let me show you the first thing we did. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, like you saw in last week's Wheelhouse Weekly, I've been cleaning out the forward peak. This is all garbage so far. We're gonna run this all to DL bins. I have a feeling we're gonna have another couple loads like this. But that's our first start to the week, and then we'll continue on and let you know what's happening later on in the week. Oh, and I'm gonna go get kitchen countertops right now for the galley. I'll show you what they look like. Telling you about the countertops too. So I'm at Windsor Plywood. Love this place, and check out what we just got for the galley. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Gonna finish that off with some lovely finish, and I think our temporary plywood countertops are gonna be gone.
We also made a stop by the lumber store, and we picked up a nice 3/4 inch thick sheet of marine plywood. This is going to be the new floor in the forward head, as well as Izzie stateroom for the V-berth. Hopefully we've got enough, I think so. And then we've got some wood down here. This is tongue and groove, and this is going to be the walls up in the forepeak. So we'll get that mounted up on the walls. Janice will do a really pretty coat of varnish on it, or tin, and it'll look great. So yeah, that's what we're currently working on. We'll go up forward now and we'll show you guys the head and everything that we've been working in, and yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll show you what we got going on in the front here. As you can see, there's a beam now across here, and if you look in, you can see I've got reinforcement struts here, bolt down to the stringers, and then it bolts on the outside out there as well to the ribs. And I've got two of these beams. I've got the one there, and then I've got one forward as well, you can see up there, and that reinforces the whole forepeak floor. Before I did this up here in the bow, we had this hatch was totally sinky, and then all along this cabinet edge there was probably a 3/4 of an inch gap, and that's all been solved now. So it's super exciting. Now we can get here and replace the flooring and make that all pretty. And then we'll get started on getting Izzie's walls up, and yeah, we're actually really excited about this. It should go really well. We got to rebuild Janice's project here, the head, and yes, very happy. The floor stuff worked out great, so super stoked with that.